Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahal Ahmad Shahid. Today I am going to show an experiment. In this experiment, I use eggs, salt, spoon, jar of water. First, I put an egg in water. The egg sinks. Now put salt in the water. Now mix it well. Now I put an egg in water. The egg floats. Jazakallah khair.